Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm bringing to you this authentic OHA soup prepared by my mom who's just visiting from Nigeria. She's here for Christmas and I made her do this for you. So let me walk you through this beautiful process. So what we did first was to boil our goat meat, cow skin until meat tender, and then we added the stockfish to cook a little bit before adding the washed and deboned fish, which she brought from Nigeria. So you can imagine how tasty this would turn out to be. So once she added that, she also went ahead to add more water just so it can cook through before adding other ingredients. And I guess that should be, my mom doesn't measure up. I guess that should be 3 cups of water. I'm going to help you guys with the measurement because these old women don't know how to measure, but they cook it right. So here she added 3/4 cup of palm oil. And notice how she didn't spare. She just submerged all the meat into that liquid and cooked for about, I say 15 minutes because I was right there with her watching, and cooked for 15 minutes, and then she went in with the crayfish. My mom loves crayfish and this has to be her secret ingredient, and I love it too. So if you want to have the authentic taste of this soup, please make sure you add enough crayfish to this recipe. Of course, added more water to cook the crayfish through, and then once she was done, baby girl did not even, you see what she did there? She's like, you know what, I'm just gonna throw it in there and let it dissolve. And that was the seasoning cube, and that also was the pepper. And then she went ahead to add the cocoyam and okpei or ogiri paste. So ogiri is a local ingredient used for Nigerian native Igbo soup. So she added that and let it cook for about, I think, 12 minutes, right? So once that was cooked, I'm going to fast. So once that was cooked, she also added salt. Baby girl did not add all that salt. I would say she added 2 teaspoons of salt into this soup. And also she was also tasting to make sure it was right. And this was me showing you how the consistency was. This is fresh uziza leaf from Nigeria, guys. I don't know how she made it, but she brought it from Nigeria fresh, and this is OHA fresh. I don't know, this recipe hit the spot on different levels for me. So, my goodness, this is how the soup came out. Once she stirred in the uziza and OHA leave into the soup, it was looking so good. Just couldn't wait to dive in. But guys, this is it. So once she added the OHA and uziza, she cooked for just 5 to 7 minutes because you don't want to overcook that leaf. You don't want to do that. So we tasted for salt, pepper, and seasoning, and everything was right. Baby girl did not measure, but everything came out superb. But I'm going to leave the measurement on the description box below just for people like us who don't really do well with not measuring. But the soup came out superb. I love it, and we enjoyed it with this thing called tef flour. Beautiful. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye!